Hello YouTube. So I just wanted to bring you along to show you what I was doing here. So I had some dried marigold bushes here just on my step. Just over the winter, I'm just sitting here looking dry. And my intent was to save the seeds and plant more marigolds. So that's what I've begun to do. So I just wanted to show you some of the seeds here, like this one here. If you can see that. This is probably one of the easiest seeds saving things you can do. My children's godmother taught me how to do this. So I'm just putting them in my little container here. All the dirt and the sticks, and I'm sure I'm not going to get all of them. But then I'm going to take everything with me to the side of a hill where I'm going to be planting random seeds, melons, pumpkins, wildflowers, full of pollinators. So I'm just grabbing as much as I can, and I just want to fill this side of the hill with as much stuff as possible, flowers and such. My husband has already gone ahead and tilled it for me, and I appreciate him for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Here's some of the seed here. See? I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of in the shade here. But, all right. The other thing I'm going to do is, these are two very sad looking pumpkins that I saved from this past fall at a church function. They were giving out pumpkins to the children. So I saved the pumpkins, and I'm going to see if I can save the seeds out of here. See? There's seeds in there and some bugs. So I'm going to scrape this up. This is going to require two hands. I'm going to have to come off here for a moment. And then we're going to take this over to the hill as well and plant these and attempt to grow some pumpkins. Okay. So I got the pumpkin seeds that you can see. They're still kind of moist, and I'm just going to kind of knock them loose here with all the bugs. And I'm not too brave to do this without gloves. As you can see, I'm using my rubber gloves, especially because I don't know who's in there. So I'm just kind of knocking them loose here. Let's see what this one looks like. Lots of seeds. Okay. This one is drier than the other one. So yeah, this has just been sitting outside since, I want to say September 2021. And it's currently April. Mid-April. Hi, Izzy. What you doing? Yeah. Naughty girl. Anywho, so I just knocked all that loose, and I'm just going to randomly scatter them along the side of the hill, and we'll see what happens. I'm also going to be planting some sugar baby pumpkins along the hill as well. I was not successful in growing any of those, any pumpkins last year. So I'm getting a head start this time, and a variety. So, all right. Kind of crumbling them up. Alright. And then I had these. These were left over from some failed melons from last year. And some sunflower seeds in here as well that I was able to save. So this will also be going on the side of the hill. So I got a lot of stuff going in over there. So we'll just see what happens. We'll see what happens. Like I said, this is just me kind of learning and seeing what happens. The hill is a little bit dense, has more rocks and stuff in it, but we'll see what happens. All right. think I'm gonna let that dry out a little bit more before I do anything with that. But in the meantime, I will go ahead and grind up the rest of this pile of marigolds and sunflower stalks, and I'll go ahead and plant stuff and at least get it raked in. But that stuff at the bottom, I need to dry a little bit more, and then I'm gonna come back with a lawnmower and chop it up smaller. So, here we go. All right, seeds have been sown. I'll come back later and water this some more. Actually, I won't because it's supposed to rain the next couple days, so I'm gonna just let it do its thing. All right, see you next time.